What's your name and your badge number?
I already told you. What is your name?
You didn't tell me.
What is your name?
What is your name and your badge number?
What is your
You
name?
can call me daddy. Remember, you work for me, I don't work for you.
I work for people that have a job.
You're not gonna make detectives, you're bad at it. I make y'all famous.
Tell your mama said I...
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video was submitted by Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. In May of 2018, Big Nick was on private property with the permission of Silver Spoon Jamaican Restaurant to be present at the location when deputies of the Broward County Sheriff's Office arrived on scene and began talking to a man about an open container. Big Nick requested that the men identify themselves, but they refused and instead asked him for his identification. And at that point, Big Nick begins recording.
That's your policy. I just went down there and talked to your major. I just went and talked to your major. What's your name and your badge number? What's your name and your badge number? Your name and your badge number.
What is your name?
There's the one right there. His word supersedes that.
No.
The owner says I can be right here. So try it again.
Okay.
Try it again.
What are you doing here?
None of your business. What are you doing here?
You're not.
What? None of your business. What are you doing here?
I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing.
No, you're not. Not harassing me.
I'm not harassing.
What's your name and your badge number?
I already told you. What is your
You
name?
didn't tell me.
What is your name?
What is your name and your badge number?
What is your
You can
name?
call me daddy.
Okay.
If you want my name, it's gonna cost you, and it's expensive. It might cost you your
That
job.
is expensive.
It might cost you your job.
Right? What is your name?
None of your business. Call me none of your business.
Okay, none of your business.
Thank
What is
you.
your real name?
Thank you.
What is your real name?
Is this a
None of your
consensual
business.
conversation?
All right.
Is this a consensual conversation?
Yeah, we're having a conversation.
Am I being
right
detained?
now. No, you're not.
Well, get out my face
Detained?
then.
All right.
Get out my face.
Why don't you walk away?
You work for me, I don't work for you.
Really?
Get out my
I don't think
face.
so, buddy.
You're a public servant, aren't you?
I don't think so.
Aren't you a public servant? Aren't you a
Give me
public
your-
servant?
give me your name or not?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
So you can get out my face. No, I'm not giving you my name. I haven't broken the law. Do you know the penal code, Florida Penal Code on presenting ID?
Okay.
Do you know it?
Do you know it?
Absolutely, I know it. That's why you're not getting it. You can get it, but it's gonna cost you.
What is it going to cost?
It's gonna might cost you your job. It's
Okay,
expensive.
really? Okay, yeah.
It's expensive. It might cost you your job.
Whatever you say, buddy.
So I don't. If I'm not being detained, I wish you get out my face and leave me alone. I don't talk to
Actually,
pigs.
then
I don't talk to pigs.
go ahead and leave then.
You go ahead and leave. I was already here.
Okay, then go ahead and leave.
I'm already here on the owner's property. So you can get out my face. Leave me alone. I'm not giving you nothing.
Okay, that's fine.
What's your name and your badge number?
So,
There's the owner right there. Yeah.
Similar to most states, in Florida, you are only expected to identify yourself to law enforcement officers when you are stopped on suspicion of a crime or a traffic violation. Big Nick meets neither of those requirements and does not have to identify. The officers, however, are required by department policy to identify themselves when asked by a member of the public. Remember that this event occurred in 2018, well before policies regarding face coverings were created, and this officer only wears it to hide his identity. And after refusing to identify himself, the deputies attempt to solicit a trespass from the establishment's owners.
Over here, let's go over here. Him right here behind me. Film me.
He just told you. How many times he got to tell you?
Does he work for you?
Work from me? Come on, man. Work from me?
No. See, he's shaking his head no.
So?
So you're not
So?
here.
Can I patronize your business? Can I patronize your business?
Anything?
By spend money, you must spend money.
No, don't spend money. You're not patronizing.
Ask him, you want me to leave? Ask him, do he want me to leave?
Answer my question.
Ask him, do he want me to leave?
yes.
He didn't say yes.
Sir, do you want
Deli, you want me to leave?
Come on, that's all right.
Deli, you want me to leave? Thank you. So stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying, public servant. Stop lying, public servant. Stop lying, public servant. Stop lying, public servant. Stop lying, public servant.
That's how you do it. Right?
Stop lying, public servant. Stop trying to intimidate people, public servant. Go do a job and find somebody breaking the law.
Ain't nobody intimidating nobody. Who am I
You
intimidating?
trying to get me kicked out from my friend's
No, I asked him.
establishment.
He said no.
No, he said, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. It's on camera. You're lying again. Stop lying, public servant.
Say you're not buying
Hey,
anything.
well, I can't talk to both of y'all public servants. So what's your name and your badge number?
Brown.
Brown, what's your badge number?
16755.
I will be going out filing a complaint against you
Absolutely.
guys.
It's all on body camera, so.
I will, and I will be for you in that information too.
All right,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
I have
Thank
the
you.
case number.
So I don't want to talk to you guys anymore. I don't want to talk to you guys. You're starting to harass me now.
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are.
Just making my rounds.
You're starting to harass me now. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Okay, so
I want you out my face. That's what I want. You're more than welcome to leave. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
Okay, so go ahead.
If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
This guy said he doesn't know you and doesn't want you yet.
No, you just seen him on camera. I said, you want me to leave? He said no. So try something else. Well, don't worry. But take me to jail then. Take me to jail then. Okay, then leave me alone. Leave me alone.
was talking
I was minding my own business. Then this tough guy came up here demanding ID like I broke the law, like I don't know my rights. You better follow your oath, man. You better follow your oath. Follow your oath and protect my rights. Don't try to violate my rights.
Oath?
Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever. I'm glad you understand.
All right.
Don't turn that uniform into a clown uniform. Israel is a good man and you making him look bad.
Who is the good man, you said?
Sheriff Israel.
Okay.
And you making him look bad. Don't turn that uniform into a clown uniform, man. Remember, you work for me, I don't work for you.
I work for people that have a job.
This statement is perhaps one of the most despicable things an officer could ever say. If this is truly the sentiment of law enforcement, it may explain why so many failed to end the tragic situation recently in Uvalde. This mindset would put the lives of children, the elderly, the retired, and the disabled at risk. It is well known that the District of Columbia appeals case Warren v. DC held that police do not owe a specific duty to provide police services to specific citizens based on the public duty doctrine, which lends credence to the theory that they are only employed to protect the wealthy, corporations, and politicians.
And I got a job.
Yes.
You're a welfare recipient. All you do is walk around trying to violate people's rights. Yeah, take it easy. Take it easy. Y'all need to learn, man. Y'all can't just come up and intimidate and bully people, man. Trying to get me leaving my friend's establishment.
Are you in handcuffs? He doesn't.
You can't, I wish you would put me in handcuffs.
He said he doesn't know you.
I wish you would put me in handcuffs. For a lot of them is going to learn. Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. YouTube
We don't
it.
work for a lot of
Big Nick, South Florida Accountability.
We don't work for a lot of
What the Brown County is going to learn.
Okay.
Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. Y'all going to learn about me.
Loitering that we wouldn't have.
Loitering is, you think I don't know the loitering law? Try it again. I'm not loitering.
Okay.
I'm not loitering. Right now I'm filming you.
Are you purchasing?
Right now
Are
I'm
you
filming you.
purchasing?
I'm filming you right now.
Nice.
So I'm engaged in activity.
Nice.
I'm filming you, so I'm not loitering.
You're not purchasing food, man.
But I'm filming you. I'm filming you. And I'm going to film your vehicle too.
All right, perfect.
After documenting the vehicle, Big Nick returns to the sidewalk.
Here the sheriff's deputy decided to come up and approach me and ask me for ID. Now they're IDing other people for no reason. Nobody's broken the law.
What you talking about, sir?
I don't want to be on that video.
Well, then I suggest you get out of public. I suggest you get out of public. There's no expectation of privacy in public. This is what they do, y'all. It's out there unsolved murders in this county of Broward, but they out here harassing people at a store. There's a lot of unsolved murders. There's a lot of unsolved murders, but these two in tactical gear decided to come up to a corner store and harass people who may have an open container. But there's unsolved murders. I mean, this guy's covering his face. This guy's covering his face. This guy's covering his face for open containers.
So anyway, listen. We'll be back. We'll be back in a few. What I just told you.
Yeah.
We'll be back in a few. And let me know. We'll come back. You have a good day, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Don't harass anybody's rights.
Have a good day.
Do not violate anybody's rights. You don't need all that tactical gear, man. Ain't no terrorists in Fort Lauderdale, man. What's wrong with y'all, man? All that tactical gear on, man.
How do you know?
For open containers? I mean, I pay for this vehicle. Look at this nice vehicle, man. There's about $400,000 coming out of my salaries, man. Look at all this. A nice car, the salaries. This is what y'all do?
But you have to go to work or something?
How you know I'm not at work right now?
You're not. The guy said it's...
You don't know what I'm doing.
I know you do.
You don't know what I'm doing. You're not going to make detectives. You're bad at it.
Too late.
You're horrible at it.
Yeah.
But they need to re-examine you, man, because you don't know what you're talking about. Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. Make sure you look at that. You're going to be a YouTube star. Especially him who's covering his face. You're going to be a YouTube star. And I'm going down and file a official complaint against you. I was just at your station to talk to the nice major. And you guys are representing it the wrong way. The wrong way. You don't come up and just demand ID. Who the hell you think you are? Who do you think you are? No, you demanded it. It's okay. The camera don't lie. You demanded it. You told me I was going to give it to you. You told me I was going to give it to you. You told me the camera do. The camera know what I'm talking about. The camera know what I'm talking about. You're going to be a YouTube star. I make y'all famous. Tell you, hey, I already f***ed your mama. Excuse me, y'all, but he said something about my mom, so I had to retaliate on that. This is the tyranny that we go through. This is what I'm standing up to. The tyranny in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That's the sheriff's department there. So they will be getting another visit from me.
Big Nick filed an official complaint on the masked deputy. The sheriff's office has refused to identify the man despite his tactics of intimidation and conduct unbecoming of an officer. Big Nick has not been made aware of any disciplinary measures, but before the mandates in 2020, he was notified of policy changes regarding a ban on face coverings for uniformed officers. Proof that exercising your rights and standing your ground can affect a positive change. Big Nick has a ton of other videos on his channel, so be sure to head over there and let him know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.